In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files in Figma. If you've ever accidentally deleted a design file or realized a bit too late that you still needed something you threw away, don't worry. Figma has a built-in way to help you get those files back, as long as they're still in the trash and haven't been permanently deleted. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look and what to click, step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Figma account as you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main Figma dashboard. This is the screen where you usually see your recent files, teams, and projects. On this dashboard, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different sections like drafts, recent files, and projects. In that same panel, look for the option labeled Trash. This is where Figma temporarily stores files you've deleted. Click on Trash to open it. After you open the trash, Figma will display a list or grid of all the files you've deleted that are still recoverable. Take a moment to scroll through this area and locate the specific file you want to bring back. It might help to look at the file names, thumbnails, or the dates they were last updated so you can be sure you're restoring the right one. Once you've found the file you want to recover, move your mouse over it and right-click. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Restore. As soon as you do this, Figma will remove the file from the trash. The restored file will automatically return to the place it was before you deleted it. That might be inside a specific project, a team space, or your personal drafts. If you're not sure where it went, you can usually find it under All Projects, or by using Figma's search bar at the top of the dashboard and typing the file name. And that's really all there is to it. By using the trash section and the restore option, you can quickly recover deleted files and get back to designing without having to recreate your work from scratch.